Okay, now we've started.
Good morning, everyone. This is Rachel Kosinja from Group 4. Gani, Shannon,
Morning to
please
you.
help
Yes,
me with the slides. You
you
start
can
from the slide.
you can't see the slides.
Now I've seen them.
Okay.
I'm going to talk about this is introduction to internet and its advantages. So, internet refers to the global connection to computers via a network. It has several types, and this includes dial-up internet. It utilizes existing phone lines to connect to an internet services provider using a dial mode. This ties up the phone line of the user to make phone calls or connections to internet, but not both. The satellite internet, it uses home satellite dishes to connect to satellite, the Earth atmosphere, miles above. Digital scribe line internet. This broadband technology to travel along different internet wires that dial up. This enables much faster speeds while freeing up the line for simulations phone calls. Slide, Shannon. Shannon, thank you. Then there is cable internet. It's also part of types of internet. It also uses broadband technology to transmit high-speed internet through the same coaxial cables that providers use for cable television services. Then we have fiber internet. It is the newest in broadband internet technology. Fiber optic cables contain filament of glasses or plastics which use light plus to transmit large amounts of information over long distance at highest speed. Then satellite internet, it is a seemingly invariable internet services that magically appears on your smartphone. For example, 3G, 4G, 5G, Wi-Fi services and hotspots. There are several advantages of internet. For example, it is a source of finding information. There are whereby finding information. This is when you are searching about something, know more about it, and internet can help you to know what you are yearning to. Then it enables online payments, finance, banking, whereby you can, in case when you are having like an account, you can in a bank or or somewhere else, and you want to pay using internet, you just go type in, search for the bank you want, then they give you more details. It promotes communication. This comes when like you are on you want to chat with people who are outside the countries and you are not able to connect with them. You just go like when we are using here Instagram, WhatsApp, you click in, you join using internet services. Then we have here it enables online shopping as we saw it in e-commerce, buying goods online. You 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 select the good you want. When you have seen it on the internet, you select you are given the document, the things you want, then you choose the item you want using online, then they give you the item you want through using through using internet. It is a source of entertainment. For example, TikTok, you enjoy using TikTok the whole day when it enables playing games. Those are then we have disadvantages of internet. It leads to internet addiction, whereby you can spend a day, like you can be addicted on the internet. For example, who has on okay, it leads to internet addiction. It leads to obesity and other healthy issues. It sometimes promotes fake news. It is time wasting if not used fruitful. It promotes photography and violent images. It encourages identify and threat, hacking, and virus. So that's all about the internet, the disadvantages, advantages, and its introduction. Thank you. Help me with number 3, but you are gone.
I
No,
think
I think you let us explain number 2. Then you'll go to number 3. We follow the order.
Okay, fine.
Thank you.
okay. This is Shannon Patrick Serada. You can hear me. Can anyone tell me that is hearing me? Rachel, can you
Yes,
hear?
bro, we
Okay.
can hear you. But you also switch on
So
the video, I think.
I switch on the video. That is not necessary as that. But let me start with this. Services provided by the internet. World Wide Web. The web is perhaps the most well-known aspect of the internet. It allows users to access and share text, images, videos, and other content through websites and web applications. It is also a vast collection of interconnected documents and websites. That is the first service provided by the internet. There is also email. We can send electronic emails in a form of communication service. It helps in sending and receiving messages, documents, and files. Then it is also, the internet also enables us connect to the social medias platforms, for example, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and LinkedIn. And most of all, LinkedIn is a social network for people in different job aspects, and it connects people through their work, especially. The others, especially Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, it's just for sharing updates, connecting with people, and communicating. Then the internet also enables us to instantly message our colleagues, workmates, and the community through WhatsApp, Facebook Messenger, and other multimedia messaging. The internet also enables us to 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 hold conferences and meetings, just like we are doing here. We are using Zoom, and some others use Skype, Google Meet to facilitate video and audio communication for personal and business purposes. The internet also enables us to share files, some through cloud storage, others just sending via the networks, and others on Google Drive. It allows us actually to store even our our files on the cloud or even the Google Drive. Then the internet also has given us the ability to use the search engines. For example, Google, Bing, and then there's Firefox. There's more of those search engines that we use to connect to websites and finding other work. Online shopping. The internet has also enabled online shopping. There's also another service. Online shopping, we can do it on Amazon, eBay, Shopify, and they enable users to purchase products and services online. And online banking and finance is also another service provided by the internet. Users can access their bank accounts, manage investments, and perform financial transactions through the internet. Then stream, there is also this part of entertainment, streaming services. For example, people do have Netflix accounts. They connect and then watch for entertainment. Some others, YouTube. YouTube is used for several purposes: entertainment, learning, and more. There is also Spotify for music and Apple Music. News and information, of course, the internet has a collection of websites where we can get information in real time, articles, and anything about going about in the world. Then there is also online learning. For example, the Coursera platforms that you can connect to and find courses and then learn via the internet. That is also another service. Gaming, of course, people game online, which enables multiplayer gaming, often with global communities. There is cloud computing, services like AWS, Microsoft Azure, and Google Cloud provide scalable computing and storage resources for businesses and developers. Then there is also another service, remote work and collaboration. Tools like Microsoft Teams, Slack, and Trello support remote work, team collaboration, and project management. There is also VPNs. VPNs enable secure and private browsing by encrypting internet connections. That is just another service also provided by the internet. And I think let's proceed to the next question, number 3. Number 3. Hello?
Okay. Yes, please.
Okay.
Number 3.
It's for Rachel.
Okay, this is how the internet works. The internet is a vast and complex global network that connects billions of devices and systems worldwide. It operates It operates based on a set of technologies that enables the exchange of data and information. This is how internet works. Data transmission. The internet is a network of interconnected devices and data transmitted over this network from digital packets. These these packets are small units of data connecting on information. As you see the diagram, the transmission data, this serves everywhere. Like it serves from simple, it goes to duplex, and then half duplex, then full. Yes, Shannon. Then also has network infrastructure. Then the internet comprises physical and logical components, including data centers, services, routers, switch, underlays, and cables and protocols. Then network protocols and addresses. The internet refer The internet refers on standardized protocols, with the internet protocols being one of the most structured devices connected to the internet are assigned unique IP addresses, which services as their digital location. Routers and switches. Data packets are routed from one device to another using routers and switches. These devices examine the description IP addresses of each packet and determine the most effective path and for delivery. Then packet switching. The internet utilizes unique code packet switching. Data packets from single communication may take different routes to reach their destination. This method is highly effective and security. Then we have peering and transit. Internet services providers connect with each other through a process called peering, exchanging traffic direct. This minimizes the need for data to travel through long and convoluted routes. When data needs to travel network that don't appear, it uses transmit providers to bridge the gap.
Yes. Lwekyo nga tetukyakuwulira. Lwekyo nga tetukyakuwulira.
That okay. The name system transmits human readable domain names. www example.com addresses that computers understand. It acts as the internet, as you see the diagram. Shannon, help me to slide. Then we have client-server mode. The internet operates based on a client-server model. Devices such as computer, smart and tab acts as a client that requests data service powerful computers and provides web pages, application, and other contacts, as shown in the diagram. Then we have encrypt and security. Data transmitted over the internet can be encrypted using technology like HTTPS to protect in
Yes.
I think she's. Let us move on to the next number.
I think this is mine.
So thank you very much. This is number 4, and web technologies being presented by Valentine.
No, this is Valentine. Number 4 is mine. Hello? Hello.
Okay.
So the World Wide Web is a system of interlinked hypertext documents, images, and other media that accessed through the internet using web browsers. A brief history about the World Wide Web. The web was invented by British computer scientist Tim Berners-Lee in 1989 while working at CERN. The first website and web browser were created in 1990. These are the basic concepts of the World Wide Web. We have the URL, Uniform Resource Locator. This is a web address that specifies the location of a resource on the web. Then we have HTTP, Hypertext Transfer Protocol, the protocol used for transferring web pages and other data on the web. We have HTML, Hypertext Markup Language, the standard markup language used to create web pages. This can actually be experienced through the coding. We have hypertext, text that contains links to other texts, allowing users to navigate between them. We have key web technologies, and these are the ones we use in the coding. We have HTML, CSS, JavaScript. HTML, hypertext markup language, is the standard markup language for creating web pages. It defines the structure and content of a web page. It's where you design tables, words, and then you put in the content using this HTML, and then CSS, cascading style sheets used for describing the presentation and layout of a page, including fonts, colors, and spacing, used to change fonts, colors, arrangements, layout, that is arrangement of the work of the web page, colors, just specifically to make it look good and presentable. Then JavaScript is a programming language that enables interactivity and dynamic content on web pages. This allows us to create a web page that is responsive by the user, such that it can easily be linked to anything. You can easily click on anything and click to the other. That is being responsive, I guess so. HTTP/HTTPS. There is also